Well, Vinod, first of all, just I have no words to congratulate you and tell you what a wonderful experience it's been. It's such a wonderful surprise to have the opportunity to see something that is so normal, so original, and so well put together. It's the simple things in life that have value. And I think that the greatest asset of this film is its simplicity. And in the simplicity, to be able to evoke so much emotion, such a wonderful story, is really the value of this film. It's not just the way it's been made, the way it's been performed, but there is such a strong message, I feel, of bonding between father and son. And what you are going to tell your son or you're going to tell your child, the way you're going to behave, the way you're going to conduct yourself, is what your son is going to emulate. And that comes out so powerfully in this story. Every time I used to face a problem, or I felt when my father was alive, even when I was working and in the business, I used to say, you know, Dad, bada sangharsh hai yaar इसमें. They used to say कि जब तक जीवन है तब तक संघर्ष. It's a struggle every day. And I feel that, you know, any opportunity that I get or there is a problem, I just look at it that this is a struggle. We have to go through it. There was a time when my family and me were wrongly accused in a scandal of the country, Gopher scandal. One fine morning when I went to meet my father, I felt that he had been paying a little too much attention to the newspaper. And for the first time he asked me, "Beta, तुमने कोई गलत काम तो नहीं किया?" I said, you know, if my father has felt this, then I need to cure it. तब तक मैंने इग्नोर किया. होता रहेगा, जब मैं सच्चाई मेरे साथ है तो मुझे क्या करना है. मैंने कहा यार, आज बाबूजी के मन में अगर ये बात आ गई है, that means I can imagine what the others are doing. And that's the day I decided that I will fight this case and come out victorious and tell him. So that was my inspiration. Wish you all the best. It's very moving.
I think it's a very, very honest film. I feel it's a film of values, of bonding, father, son. You know, I think it was just wonderful to see it, and I mean, there were portions in the film where I nearly wanted to cry. I was choked. I mean, yeah, I mean, it really reminded me of my relationship with my dad. I mean, though my father was not very physical with me. I mean, it took him a long time to say, "Beta, I love you," but I knew it was always there. And we were doing this one scene in Munna Bhai, and he had to come and hug me. And I yet remember, and you know, he had just come from an accident, and he raised his hand, and his shoulder was jammed, and I could see that pain on his face, and you know, I got worried, and I went and put his hand down, and Vinod went and he says, you know, just relax and go home. He said, no, I'll do the scene, and I can never forget it because I just recently saw it again, and it brought tears back into my eyes, and you know, the way he's hugged me in that shot, I mean, and you know, his hands are like this, and he just does this on my back. I mean, it was not acting, it was for real. So that's how this film is. Reminds me of my dad. I think Sharman is the best dad that kid can ever have.
पहला मेरा रिएक्शन ये था कि मैंने लास्ट 10 साल में इतनी अच्छी फिल्म नहीं देखी है. एंड मैं जेन्युइनली कह रहा हूँ विनोद के साथ मैंने बहुत फिल्मों में काम किया है और 2 फिल्मों में काम किया है और विनोद की सारी फिल्में देखी हैं, मगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये विनोद चोपड़ा फिल्म्स की, विनोद की एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एज अ फिल्म मेकर, इट्स हिज जनरली हिज बेस्ट फिल्म.